Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kai, and if you're an OG, thank you for coming back. So today, I am going to do a makeup look for you guys. What inspired me to do this was on a Facebook page a group that I'm in. Someone posted a dark lip and people were being really negative, saying that she needs like a full face of makeup in order to wear a dark lip, and I completely disagree. So this video is probably going to be kind of like beginner friendly, and that's probably something I'm going to start doing on my channel. Beginner friendly looks that are simple and wearable but also really pretty. Not necessarily, really strong cut creases or anything of that nature, but just wearable makeup looks. So if you are a person who wants to wear a bold lip but not necessarily wear a full face with lots of like contour or just a lot of makeup or a heavy eye or anything of that nature, I think this video will be for you. I'm going to do a really dark purple lip with a neutral brown eye. Nothing too crazy, really simple and easy to do. And I'm going to stop blabbing and I'm going to get right into the video. Okay guys, please forgive my nails. I am in the process of thinking about what to do to them next. But in this particular video, I am not going to wear any foundation. Now, if you don't feel comfortable not wearing foundation, that's perfectly fine. You can wear foundation and apply it to your skin to get the coverage that you would like. Today I will only be using a tinted powder and some concealer. Today I will be using the 16-hour Camo Concealer by e.l.f. in Rich Cocoa, and this is what that looks like. And this is the concealer that I will be wearing today. And so to begin, I'm just going to put a little bit of primer, and this is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. I'm going to put that only on some areas that I tend to get oily or sweaty. So I'm just getting very little, and I'm just going to put that around my cheek area and on my nose, because my nose gets really shiny, even though I'm going to put a little bit of highlight on it just to make my skin look glowy, but I don't want it to be super shiny. With this look, I'm just trying to basically get like a nice even look that's kind of matte and pretty. But first, before you do your primer or anything of that nature, make sure you take care of your skincare. Make sure your skincare is done and you're hydrated. Oily or dry, make sure you're hydrated. And just get your skin prepared for what you're about to do to it. Put a little here. Okay, so for the concealer, where I'm going to put the concealer, I'm going to put it under my eyes, on my eyes, and just any dark spots that I have. And also to prep, since I'm going to be wearing a bold lipstick, I use the Mint Juleps lip scrub by Lush, and I exfoliated my lips as well as put on some gloss. I'm going to keep on the gloss until I am ready to put the lipstick on, so that way my lips stay hydrated and they're good to go. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to put powder all over my face, and this powder is tinted. It's in 360 Mocha. It's the Fit Me Poreless, Matte and Poreless, and I'm going to be putting that all over my face to set not only my concealer, but also to kind of mattify the rest of my face and just bring everything together. Okay, now that that's done, I am going to go off camera and do my eyebrows. I am really bad at eyebrows, so I have to be like really up in the mirror, so I will be right back. Okay guys, so now that my brows are done, I am going to move on to my eyes. And so again, it's just going to be super simple, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place some tape on the sides of my eyeballs. I just put it on the back of my hand, get them a little less sticky, and then I will put them on my face. Okay, because I want this to be kind of user-friendly, the palette that I'm going to be using is the 20 eyeshadow palette, the Revealed Matte by Coastal Scents. This palette is very inexpensive, it's only $20, and it also gives you a nice selection of matte colors. And so what I'm going to start with is this kind of terracotta color, and I am going to put that all over. Of course, when applying this, you can definitely, if you want it to pop more, you could put on a lighter concealer or a base of some sort, but I just want everything to just be really soft. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is that I'm going to get this deeper shade, and I'm still using my fluffy brush because I, again, just want everything to be soft. There's no cut crease or anything like that. I just want everything to be blended and soft, but still have a little bit of color. And I'm going to use this deeper brown, almost brick-like shade. Okay, and so with this particular color, I'm just going to put that on the outer layer. It's going to be like the outer V. Not all the way up, but up enough to just kind of deepen it a little bit. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is that I am going to take my, I think it's a pencil brush, my little pencil brush, and I am going to mix these two, this purple and this dark black. I'm going to mix those two, and I am just going to put that again on the outer V just to deepen it just a little bit more. I'm gonna take my fluffy brush again, and then I'm just going to blend the top out just a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna take off the tape. So as you can see, like, it's really sharp, and so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take my face brush that I use with my powder, and I'm just going to kind of soften that up. Okay, so actually I'm going to lighten up this area just a little bit more. So I'm just going to take this shade right here, this like mauvey pink shade, almost a beige, and I'm going to put that on my lid to kind of brighten things up. Okay, so now that the eyes are done and they're to my liking, this eye always gives me issues. It's never right. But since this is to my liking, now I'm going to use my Pat McGrath eyeliner. I'm going to be wearing lashes with this. If you do not want to wear lashes, or if you're new to lashes, because I'm still semi-new to lashes, you can just go ahead and line your eyes or not line your eyes and just wear mascara. Or hey, if you don't want to do any of that, you don't have to. It's all about what you want to do. But in this particular one, I'm going to line my eyes, and then I'm going to go and put on lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have my lashes on, and now we're gonna move on to the dark lippy, and the one that I will be using is the NYX Liquid Suede in Oh Put It On, and it's a really, really deep purple, and that is the color that I will be wearing today. But before I do that, I want to let you guys know, or I want to say that please remember, when you are being guided about makeup, unless it's for health reasons, you know, things of that nature, it's guidelines, just guidelines. Don't, just because you want to wear your makeup a certain way and other people are like, no, you shouldn't do it that way, it doesn't look right, or blah blah blah, that's not really their business. When you wear makeup, you wear makeup for you. You wear makeup for the look you want. You wear makeup for what you want to achieve. So you can take, you know, bits and pieces and just create your own thing. This is the look that I wanted to do. You can completely go without the eye and the dark lip. I'm not going to wear any blush. I did put a little bit of highlight on my nose, and that's the Rock & Republic eyeshadow in Carrot that I like to use. Because I think, you know, a little highlight on the nose makes the whole face feel kind of glowy. But do what you want to do. Again, these kind of videos are guidelines. They are not the law. They are not the Bible. They're not anything of that nature. They are guidelines for you to use, and you can use it as you choose. But moving on, let's put on this lippy. Okay guys, so I am going to remove my lip gloss really gently, so that way it's still hydrated. But I want to get all of that off. I probably should line my lips, but I don't really have a liner. Actually, wait a second. Okay, so I'm actually going to use my Pat McGrath black eyeliner as a lip liner since it's so dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. And yeah, it's kind of vampy and in your face, but I like it. I love really dark vampy lips, and so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, always comment, like, and subscribe. And if you're interested in seeing more makeup videos from me, please thumbs up this video, of course, and comment down below on what you would like to see. And I think I will do more makeup videos. That's how I got started wanting to make YouTube videos all these ages ago. But I hope you guys like this look, and I hope it was easy. And if it wasn't, I will definitely, you know, try to be better at explaining or making the steps a little bit easier. You know, I'm just going to try for you guys. So I hope you guys like this video. Again, I will see you guys in the next one, and have a great one. Bye.